welcome to my channel today. Alright, so everyone, after you have watched my video from letter A, B, C, D to letter O, in this video I'm gonna share a lesson with letter P. So everyone, so right now come with me, join with me and practice all together. Okay, let's go. So this is letter P. So everyone repeat to me 3 times all together. P, P, P. The sounds of letter P is the sound P. Let's repeat all together. P, P, P. Okay. And alright, here are the 4 words with letter P. Let's go. Pen, pen, pen. Okay. Pick, pick, pick. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Pink, pink, pink. Okay, so come repeat all together. Pen, pen, pen. Pick, pick, pick. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Pink, pink, pink. Okay, so after you learn the words right now, let's go to make the sentence together. Let's say repeat to me all together. Okay. I like pink. I like pink. I like pink. It is a pig. It is a pig. It is a pig. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel to get the next video. Goodbye. See you next time.
Wow.